Hey friends, I wanted to get on here and show you how to log in to your HMH account, which that's where all our reading stuff is, so that you can do the reading assessment that is on your Monday to-do list. So now you've got these paper instructions as well, but I wanted to actually show you in hopes that it would be easier. First thing, make sure you're logged into your ClassLink portal. You're probably already logged into this if you've been using your school laptop. So make sure you're in that. And I'm using a student login, so this is going to look exactly the same as what yours does. Once you are in your portal, find HMH Ed Students. It has the little smiley face and it says Ed. Click on that. It's loading. And it will take you to your home page. Now this next step, go to Assignments up at the top. And you should see Growth Measure Reading, HMH Growth Measure Reading. What you need to do is click Start. Now, once you start it, it's kind of long, so if you need to take a break, that's fine. It will pick back up where you left off. So once you click Start, it says take your time, do your best. I don't expect you to get all of these correct. This is just to let me know where you are with your reading and how I can help you become even better. So now you're logged in and ready to get started. So like I said, take your time. You don't have to do this all in one go. If you get tired and you need a break, that's fine. So hopefully this will help make it easier for you to get logged in to do this reading assessment. Do your best, guys.